Good morning. This video lecture is for class 6th, subject English. This is a summary lecture of the lesson, The Wonder Called Sleep. In the previous class, we had done the lesson, The Wonder Called Sleep in detail. And today, I have given a summary of this lesson. So let's read the summary. Moving next. Sleep is a state of unconscious rest. Our day's activities cause tiredness. A good sleep provides rest to our body and mind. When we sleep, our body recovers from exertion. This is the most obvious advantage of sleep. So sleep is a state of unconscious rest when we are not aware of anything in our surroundings. Okay, moving next. Many things happen to us during sleep. We forget most of those happenings when we wake up. Sometimes we remember a dream. Our muscles relax more and more when we enjoy a sound sleep. Our heartbeat becomes slower. Our blood pressure and temperature go down. Then the brain also slows down. We cannot think or act consciously. These things become normal when we wake up. Next point. Sometimes we dream during sleep. We forget most of our dreams by the time we wake up. Dream is an important activity of the mind. It enables us to sleep even through noisy disturbances. Our dreams mostly reveal our problems. They can also provide as a solution of the related problems, the problems which are going in our mind. Next point. But we must remember one thing. Dreams can never tell the future, right? Dreams can never tell the future. Sleep has wonderful powers. It transports us into a strange land. We forget even our near and dear ones. Then, sleep is the sweetest and most common experience. So, it is rightly called a wonder. Why is sleep called a wonder? It's called a wonder because sleep transport us into a strange land. We forget even our near and dear ones. Sleep is the sweetest and most common experience, so it is rightly called a wonder. Next point. Okay, so we'll be moving to question answers. I had shared the questions in the first video, that is lecture number 1. In this video, I am sharing the answers. I'm going to read the answers for you all. You can tally your answers with my answers. Let's start. The first question was, what is the most obvious advantage of sleep? The most obvious advantage of sleep is that it gives rest to a tired body. After a good sleep, we become alert and active again for the day's work. So what is the most obvious advantage of sleep? It actually gives rest to our body. Next question. What happens to our body when we sleep? When we sleep, our body gets much needed rest. Our muscles relax, our heartbeat slows down, our blood pressure also falls. Clear? Moving to the next question. Define a dream in your own words. A dream is an activity of the mind that takes place when we are asleep. Next question. Why are dreams important? Mention 2 reasons. Dreams are important for 2 reasons. They help us sleep in spite of noise and other disturbances. Next point. Some dreams provide a solution to certain problems. Next question. Why has sleep been called a wonder? Sleep has been called a wonder because nobody knows for certain what brings about sleep. Secondly, it transports us to a strange land. It is the sweetest thing in the world. It is a sort of escape from reality. Clear? Last question. Describe briefly to the class an improbable dream you have ever had. That day in the class, many had told about their improbable dream. So here's one which I got last night and I'm going to share that with you all. I had a very funny and uncommon dream last night. I saw two bulls locking their horns in the street. They fought fearlessly. The people kept at a safe distance. One of the bulls fell to the ground. The other began to goad him with horns. I kept a watch on their activities for a while when I noticed the fallen animal in serious trouble. I intervened. I fired the air gun. It raised a thundering sound. Then I shouted to the bull to stop fighting. It left its victim and walked away. So this was the improbable dream which I had ever had. Okay, moving next. Thank you. I hope everybody has got the answers and you people are going to do the corrections. Thank you so much. Take care.